Ever wondered where your money is floating on its journey across borders with Remitly? Let's dive straight into how you can track your Remitly money transfer every step of the way first. Head over to the Remitly website or open the Remitly app on your phone. You'll need to log into your Remitly account, enter the email address and password you used when you set up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard look for the specific transfer you want to track. Now find the See Details or Track Transfer button next to that particular transfer. Click on it. This will take you to the transfer details page here. You'll find a progress bar, visually showing you exactly where your money is in the transfer process. You'll also see the estimated delivery date and time. Keep an eye on this. Look for a tracking number or reference number you can use for further inquiries with Remitly customer support if needed. If you encounter any issues or have questions, the Remitly Help Center on their website is a great resource, and that's how you track your Remitly transfer. Happy sending!